We just installed the 2014 to 2019 Toyota Sequoia Hamilton upgrade kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. Let's get wireless Android Auto set up in this video. Pull out your Android telephone and come to Settings. You're going to do Connections. Bluetooth. And you're going to wait until you see a new device starting with Hamilton. When the pairing code pops up, click Pair. Now we'll go ahead and open Android Auto on the device and wait for it to connect. Android Auto is now connected. We can set the phone aside for just a minute. In another video, we'll give you a walkthrough overview of Android Auto, but I'll first tell you how to make sure you're using it correctly. You'll want to turn your factory Toyota Bluetooth off. You're only going to want your phone connected to the new Hamilton Bluetooth network. Long holding the voice speech button for 3 seconds switches between the factory side and the new Hamilton side with Android Auto and CarPlay. You want to make sure that your factory audio is in aux mode, as you see here. If after installing you boot it up and you're like, hey, I only see my factory side, where is the Hamilton unit? Just long hold that voice speech button for 3 seconds and it'll come up the first time. Awesome. Now take a look at other videos. We'll walk you through how to use Android Auto and the features.